Hi! In today's tutorial, we are going to install Visual Studio Code and Python in our computer. Firstly, type Visual Studio Code download in your browser. Then, click on this link. Click this button to download. It will automatically start downloading. OK. Now, open this exe file. Click on the Accept checkbox and then click Next. Click Next every time, and if you want, you can change the things too. Alright. Our Visual Studio Code is downloaded. After some time, it will automatically open up. Change the modes if you want, but I prefer the dark mode. Create a new file. Click on the extensions icon and search for Python. Click Install. Next, I would prefer downloading Blackbox AI. So, search for it. Click Install. OK. Now both Python and Blackbox AI is downloaded. Now, let's close everything, and then, click on the file that we created. Click on Select a language and choose Python. Wait for the extension to load. Then, type the following code to print Hello World. Wait for some time. OK. Now, click Ctrl+S to save. Oh wait! We didn't install Python in our computer. We are getting some errors, so let's fix that. Type Python download in your browser. Click on this link. Click Download. OK. It's downloaded, now open the exe file. Click on Install Now. Okay, it's downloaded, now close it. Now, go to Visual Studio Code. Restart the app because we have to apply the changes. Wait for the extensions to load. Okay. Now click the Run button. Congratulations, you have written your first Python script. Well, from here on, we have completed today's tutorial. Thank you for watching today's video. And if you have any doubts regarding today's video, feel free to ask me in the comments.